Nifty is a fantastic tool for marketing teams as it provides value throughout all phases of marketing collaboration. Let's start with milestones. This is where we can track the big picture of what we want to do this month. In this case, we're looking at the backlinks we want to swap, as well as the posts we want to make. We have each of these created as their own milestones and their own tasks built out within them, so as we complete these tasks, these progress automate in real time. This answers big picture questions and makes sure we stay on track for our individual campaigns. I can always jump into my task screen to get a lot more granular with who needs to do what, the different priorities, or other tags that I've assigned to these tasks. We can even create an automated review list. But what's not discussed quite as much is the other places that Nifty brings value in as far as marketing collaboration. So let's discuss some of these other modules here, starting at the end with our custom view. This is actually a DIY module. You can drop a publicly available link. Sometimes it's a landing page. It might be an embed link for a URL of another tool. But this allows us to customize our Nifty experience. So in this case, we've created one called Backlink Tracker. We've even put in the embed URL of an Airtable. And now we have an Airtable spreadsheet right here in our Nifty account to help us keep track of the different backlinks that we've been exchanging. Another really valuable tool is our docs. We can actually go ahead and build out posts, write that copy, bring in the images, and really get everything ready to attach to tasks, and so we can automate those approval processes and get everything found in the single place. Lastly, our ability to keep discussions all together for our marketing team so we can bounce questions off each other, cite individual tasks, or even start calls with a click of a button on Zoom makes it so Nifty is a one-stop shop for not only planning your marketing efforts, but executing them and collaborating on them along the way.